Back over to Ashley with that First Alert Action Day forecast. Hi there.
Hi, Dina. Yeah, as we head into the next couple of hours, we do have the chance for a few more scattered showers, but let's show you what some of our mountains picked up overnight. Boreal, Dodge Ridge, the big winners with 10 and 11 inches picked up as of this morning, and we'll add a bit more on through the rest of today. As we take a look at satellite and radar, most of our activity coming to an end across the valley for now. We do have a nice break, but we are still picking up a little bit of snow across our higher elevations. And what a change 30 minutes can make, especially across the higher elevations. Right now, there is chain controls in effect from Twin Bridges to Echo Summit, so keep that in mind. And these will be changing throughout the day as we'll see some breaks and then return to showers. And that trend continues into tomorrow. As we time this out with Futurecast, we do have another round of scattered showers on the way later on this afternoon, arriving as we get closer to about 3-4 o'clock. With the sunshine that we do get, we will have the chance for a few isolated thunderstorms to develop, capable of producing gusty winds, lightning, and brief heavy rain. This trend will continue through the evening. Rain and snow start to fill in along the foothills later on tonight, and we'll keep that going through tomorrow morning. We'll even have a few more scattered showers and a few isolated thunderstorms possible heading into our Friday, but overall our activity going to be lighter than what we saw last night. We are going to continue to keep up our flood watch and our winter storm warning, however, especially for those areas that we could see some flooded roadways on, and across the mountains, chain controls, travel delays, all a possibility for elevations above 5,000 feet. As we take a look at temperatures right now, most of us holding on to the 50s and low 60s, starting to feel that warm up kicking in, all thanks to those peaks of sunshine that we are getting. We'll continue to warm up just a bit more through the rest of the afternoon. Most of us ending up in the upper 50s to lower 60s for highs today, and across the foothills and mountains getting into the 30s and 40s, but keeping that cold air in place. And that's going to allow snow levels to, well, stay lower, especially with the arrival of our next storm system. We are eyeing it as we head into Sunday and Monday, bring us another round of heavy rain and snow as we head into the start of next week. We could be tacking on another several inches across portions of the valley and foothills. We've already picked up an inch, inch and a half for most, and we could be picking up 2 to 4 inches when all is said and done. And even through the Central Valley, 1 to 3 inches. Some of the hardest hit spots across the Sierra, 4 to 8 inches could be possible with this next round on the way. So definitely going to be something to watch as we head through the weekend. As far as snow goes, snow levels going to start off lower with this next storm system on the way on Sunday, and then get up to about 6,000 feet, and we could be dealing with another 2 to 6 feet of snow across our higher elevations. Great news for skiers and snowboarders looking to hit the slopes, especially heading into next week, but it will bring some travel impacts, especially through the weekend. As we look at your 7-day forecast, temperatures are going to stay mild as we finish off the work week. Heading into the weekend, your best day to get outside is going to be on Saturday, as we will have a bit more sunshine on the way. Heading into Sunday, that wet weather moves in fast, and it's going to be staying with us Monday, Tuesday, and even into Wednesday too, before we do start to get that break again. Highs over the next couple of days, holding on to the 50s. Dina?
All right, Ashley, thank you. It's all